Hi, I'm Keith Krieger, Program Director for Computer Applications Training at JCCC. And today we have some tools, tips, and techniques to help you do your work with common computer applications every day. So we'll explore a couple of tools that we can add to Microsoft Office applications to help us work more efficiently. And while all of the applications include a lot of tools, sometimes the tool that we need is not built in, and it may be part of another system, and we want to be very, very quick and efficient about doing work. So being able to add other tools to help us do so can really make a difference in our flow and how we spend our time in the applications. And here we have a sample financial statement, and I'm going to click E13 here, and if I look up in the formula bar, I see that there's a very simple formula embedded here, which is fine if I just want to add these numbers up. But what if somebody walks into the office and asks me for a calculation for something, and most people will respond, well, I can just do it in Excel. I can click in a couple cells and add some numbers and build a formula. But that puts content into my spreadsheet that I may not want to have in the spreadsheet. So some people will say, well, okay, well, you have a calculator built into the system. Why don't you just bring up the calculator? And to do that, I would have to get out of Excel, find the calculator. So why not instead just put the calculator one click away inside of Excel? And we're actually going to put that up here in what Microsoft calls the Quick Access Toolbar, or the QAT. It's located in the upper left-hand corner in the title bar. And if you look at the right-hand end of that, that small downward pointing triangle allows us to customize that toolbar. When I single-click that drop-down, these are the default commands that can be added to the Quick Access Toolbar. And again, some of these are very handy: sorting, spell checking, print preview, but all of these are already found in Excel. What we want to do is put the calculator up in that Quick Access Toolbar. If I look at the bottom of this drop-down menu, I have an option here called More Commands. When I single-click More Commands, looking over here on the left, it shows us that Quick Access Toolbar is highlighted. In the center column, these are popular commands, things that most people use on a regular basis. What I need to do, though, is find the calculator, and by default, the calculator is not included in Excel, but it is a command that's available through the system. So if I drop that Commands From list down, I'll choose the item labeled Commands Not in the Ribbon. Now I will get a large number of possible things that I can add to the Quick Access Toolbar. And what I want to do very easily here is find Calculator. And in between the second and third columns, I'm going to find the Add button. I can single-click the Add button. The calculator is added to the Quick Access Toolbar. Buttons in the center right allow me to move this choice in the menu to a different location. If I'm happy with that, I click OK. Now looking up at the Quick Access Toolbar, we now see that we have a custom item added up here, and a single click brings up the calculator for me. I can do whatever kind of calculations I want with that embedded 10 key and have my answer without unnecessarily cluttering up my existing spreadsheet. And again, you can use this for a lot of different kinds of tools that may not necessarily be included in Excel, but as part of Windows, we can embed them inside of Office. I think this will really help improve how you use Excel for these little one-off kinds of calculations. We trust you found the tips and tools techniques in these videos to be helpful in something you can put to use almost immediately. We know that these are things that can be shared easily, and we encourage you to share them with your colleagues and your friends. post them to Facebook or Twitter or LinkedIn for other people to take advantage of. And if you like, we'd be happy to send you the notes of the tools and techniques that we've shown you here today. Please feel free to send us a message at the address on the screen, and we'll get those right out to you. Thanks.